Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing not this look, but this right here. My updated brow routine. This video is so highly requested by you guys and I finally decided to do the updated brow routine, which I'm so happy about because I'm honestly obsessed on how my brows have developed. I love the routine that I'm on right now, which is the lamination brow or the soap brow, whatever you guys want to call it. I call it the soap brow because obviously to get these eyebrows I used soap, a lot of soap actually, and it's, you know, it's a trendy kind of technique that a lot of us are using and it's so fun. It makes your eyebrows look like transformation, you guys. Like, it makes them look so good and beautiful, which I love, and that's what I'm all about, you guys. I'm all about, you know, trying new techniques for you guys, letting you guys know how everything works on me, and if I like it, I'll mention it, and if I don't, I won't. So yeah. Also, shout out to Sikora Beauty for sponsoring a portion of today's video. I am going to be mentioning their D-Lite eyebrow trimmer, which is this right here. And let me tell y'all, like, this trimmer is not like any other trimmer. This eyebrow trimmer is actually portable, so you get to charge it, which I love. Not a lot of eyebrow trimmers do that or have that option. They're always with batteries, and you know, batteries run out so quick. That's one of the reasons why I love this eyebrow trimmer. And what I love about it is that you can also trim any facial hair on your face. I specifically do use this to trim my nose hairs, especially, I know it's to TMI, but especially since I do this for a living. I take selfies all the time, so I would just cry and hate. I know you can Photoshop it obviously, but I do grow hairs and it's natural, you know, like we do grow nose hairs and it's a natural thing. Who cares? Get over it. But that's why there is trimmers like this, which are automatic, super fast, super easy, painless. What I do is obviously, you know, get around there, and it's actually very small and it fits right up your nostrils. I love it so much for that. Like I said, I take selfies all the time, so I would hate for you guys to see a hair hanging out, you know. Oh my god, that would be the worst nightmare, but we're human, so whatever. Also very, very lightweight, very convenient. You can, you know, throw this in your bag for traveling, and the portable, like, it's so convenient, super easy. I got everybody in my family using it, so I really recommend you guys trying this out. And it's also a perfect gift because it does come with this whole entire little set, which you can definitely give this to a friend or, you know, your brother. I know my brother loves this right here. Like, I got him on this. But so yeah, you guys, I'll have all of their information down below on the description box, so you guys can go ahead and check this baby out from Sikora Beauty. But yeah, if you guys want to see my updated eyebrow routine, then please continue watching. So obviously, from the title of today's video, I'm going to be doing a updated brow routine, but also like my new favorite way to do my brows, the lamination way that I'm just really obsessed with, and I've been just doing ever since I mastered my eyebrows. Back then, my eyebrows were just so insanely thin because I would pluck them, or I would shave a lot of hair off my brows, and that was no good. So now I have a way much better way to do my brows, and I'm happy about it. I am satisfied with how I do them. I love them, love the technique. So if you guys want to follow along, please continue watching. I am going to be applying a little bit of my iconic lip oil. Love this stuff. It's been keeping my lips very moisturizing. Like, you guys, this is anxiety right here. I always tend to bite my lips, like the sides of my lips. It's not a good habit. I grabbed this spoolie right here, and this spoolie is from a Pretty Girl Brushes. I will have their link down below, but I love how it's sturdy because I do not like those little spoolies that, you know, they're plastic and stuff. So I totally recommend using something like this that looks like a brush and easier to, you know, handle. Fact, I don't know if you guys know this, but I did not know that these were washable because I don't know how. I was almost going to throw this away because it was already like crumpling up with like the soap and everything. And I was like, hold on, like what if I wash it? You know, they're plastic, they're like synthetic bristles, I think. So I washed it and everything, so it's reusable, you guys. I did not know that. You can definitely wash this under like water and soap. You can rinse this off, you can reuse it, which is really awesome. So, you know, a little tip right there. But for everyone that asks, because I know a lot of people ask, I do use this soap right here. This is from DHC. So what I love doing is take any like spray. You can use fixed spray or water, even water. I've seen people even use like gel, which is really cool. What I do is wet the mild soap, and I just kind of pick up the soap and coat it really good. But that's what you do. You get a good amount on. And what I like to do is first start brush them through with this soap. It works better if you brush it down first and then you brush it up. For me, it works so much better because it really helps with my brows, because my brows are stubborn, they're straight, but they don't cooperate all the time, so I have to be like brushing them. But you pretty much just want to brush them to however you want to style them. So if you want to, you know, brush them up like that, you see how they're kind of like feathery. I do like that, but sometimes I feel like it makes me look like mean, so I don't really use that technique. But what I do is just kind of brush them out like that and then bring it back down. If you can see that, you can definitely see how they are feathery, but the tail of your brow is not like going out, you know what I mean? I don't know if that even makes sense, but yeah. So that's what I do. And then for up here, I also do the same thing. You can also make them look feathery. I do kind of like place them down like that. And then right here, I do the same thing. I kind of brush them up first and then go ahead and place them down, because I do like for them to look like full, if that even makes sense. Like, look at that. That already looks so good. Now I'm gonna do this eye. I feel like this brow is always the good brow. It likes to cooperate, sometimes it doesn't. So if you have too much soap, you can remove it with your finger. Sometimes I do get too much soap and it's not good, but that's why I like this mild soap, because it doesn't leave like any like white residue, which I like a lot. So up here, like I said, brush them up. You can brush them up. Look at how long my brows are. I have to do a trim, but I do like the full like sparse brows, so I think I'm just gonna keep them like that. Trim off a little bit, but now I'm gonna show you guys a good tip too on how to keep them from not like moving. And then down here, obviously you don't really do much. Just make sure they're not like stuck together. But now the really like important part of it all is to get your mild soap and spray a little bit on. What I like to do is kind of pick it up with my middle finger, and then I just like to brush them through like this. Crazy, right? But this will make sure they don't move anywhere. Like, try this and you will see. It's kind of crazy. If you mess that up or anything, you can go back again and just, you know, fix that part. But trust me when I say this, it works. This step works, and it's important if you want them to stay on for more longer. So, and don't worry if you get any on your lids or anything, we will get rid of that. But like I said, it's an important part. So don't forget to do this. Ta-da! And there you have your little lamination. Also, I do have a little bald spot right there, but you guys will see how I cover that and make it look like. A lot of you guys do wonder if this makes your eyebrows come off, and not for me, because I do use my castor oil, and I don't know about you guys, but it makes my brows thicker and stronger. So yeah. But now what I'm doing is getting rid of that soap we have around our brows. Now sculpting my brows, and I know a lot of you guys are like, sculpting, why don't you just fill them in? Like, I like to sculpt them out first because I do like to have like a guideline to where I want to, you know, create like brow strokes, if that even makes sense. So what I like to do is get any concealer. I love taking this Juvias Place. Is it I Am Magic concealer? Because it's bomb, you guys. And I use the shade 16. So what I like to do is sculpt on my brows. I don't think I'll ever stop doing this step because I do love a good sculpted brow look. Now what I'm going to do is take this Morphe M117 brush and kind of just use also the concealer as a eyelid primer. Don't worry if you get it around here, I do blend it out. So now I'm going to take some translucent powder. Just going to set my brows, or sorry, my lids with this. What I'm going to do is start to do the feathered light strokes, and I love taking this Urban Decay brow blade waterproof pencil, and I like that it's waterproof. I love the shade of it too. It's not too dark. It's like the perfect brown for me. Oh, there you go. I don't know if you guys can see that, but that's how it looks. And it's also not harsh on the eye, which I love. Another alternative would be the Anastasia brow pen. I use the shade medium brow, and this is perfect also. It's not super harsh, if that even makes sense, but I really like this one because it's much longer. Oh sorry, it also has like a pencil side, but it's much longer and it's much thinner, and that's what I love. Black one is the Anastasia, and then the Urban Decay is obviously the purple one. So that's how they look compared. I do like this one. It's a little bit more thinner. Sorry about my nails, by the way. I have to get them done. This is the shade Natural Nana. So what I'm gonna do is start to kind of, like I said, since the concealer is right there, it's gonna guide me. I like that a lot. You see how so much, like, it's so much easier for me too. So when I get to here, I go a little bit more lighter, a little bit more hand-free, and I just go up, 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 up. And when I get here, like right in the front, I do like two kind of eyebrow strokes like that. I don't know if you can see that, but now where the little bald spot was at, I create like a little hair. I also like to kind of flicker it out like that. Pretty much we're just creating more hair because I don't have a lot of hair, you guys, so, or I don't have a lot of eyebrow hair. Ta-da! Here's like a close-up so you guys can see. So I'm gonna do this eye now. And if you do make a mistake, you can wipe it down, or you can just use your concealer right back. I think I've gotten way better. I was really shaky at first because obviously it was like a new technique for me, but now I'm just better at it. Practice makes perfect, you guys. Like that. We're almost done. One more step for me. I look crazy because obviously I don't have any makeup on, but I do like to take this brow powder. This is the UPTOWN Arch Brow Powder in Model Rocks Cosmetics. But I love how this is ash brown, by the way. I love the shade of this. So what I'd like to do is kind of go in with this and just kind of go on top of everything, and it just seals it. I don't know if that makes sense, but it seals the brow. I love doing this. It makes my brows look so good. Like I actually have big, sparse, full brows, but I don't. So yeah, you guys, this is pretty much it for the tutorial. I don't use eyebrow gel anymore because obviously I use the brow soap or the lamination technique. After this, what I do is do my eyeshadow, and then do my face, and you're good to go. Your eyebrows literally stay on like this for hours, and I love that. I don't get to use any eyebrow gel or anything like that, so I really love that. But yeah, you guys, I'm gonna do my whole entire makeup right now, so I'll be right back with a full face. Alright guys, so I just did my makeup really quick. If you guys want to see a full tutorial on this look, I'll have it listed up here so you guys can go ahead and check it out if you guys want to. But yeah, you guys, this is how the brows turned out. I am obsessed on this lamination type of brow. I don't think I'll change my eyebrow routine in quite some time because I really like how they look already, and they look full, they look sparse, and yeah, I just love this lamination technique. Let me know if you guys do too on the comments down below. If you guys are gonna try my technique, or if you guys have your own technique, let me know on the comments below. So yeah, you guys, I don't think I have anything else to say except I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to subscribe and like my video, and yeah, you guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys on my next video. Bye guys.